Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Roshmi from Kolkata. Today I am going to show you Kantha stitch and some Gujarati stitch also, Parshi. All are on silk and tassar. So let's start. Sari number 1, it is on Bangalore silk. White color. Today I will show you first sari on white color. This is Bangalore silk. See the work. I want to show you a close view of the sari. See the work. Palla portion. There is a piping. See. The material is Bangalore silk. Sari number 1, 6,500. Material is Bangalore silk. Sari number 1 with silk mark certification, and the price is 6,500. Each and every sari I will show you very closely so that you can understand. And the material is premium quality Bangalore silk. The color is white, rather off white you can say, and here is the blouse piece. It will come in the blouse piece. Sari number 1, price is 6,500. Material Bangalore silk Kantha stitch. Material Bangalore silk Kantha stitch. For booking, please call or WhatsApp 9330866384. Just take a screenshot and send it back to my number. Or otherwise you can mention the sari number also. This is sari number 1. Sari number 2, another Bangalore silk. Another Bangalore silk. Color is yellow, mustard yellow. See, here is the palla portion. Have a close look. Palla portion. Very integrated work. These all are Kantha stitch. I will show you the back side so that you can understand. And the material is another Bangalore silk. Color is mustard yellow. Price 6,500. I will show you the entire draping view of the sari. These all are silk mark certified. Here is the blouse piece. The entire look of the sari. Just checking. This is the entire view of the sari, palla portion. For booking, please take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. Sari number 3. Sari number 3. This is another Bangalore silk, black and red and black on black base. See the work. See the work. Material is Bangalore silk. Material is Bangalore silk. Premium quality Bangalore silk, and please have a look on this sari. The entire view. See the view. It is so pretty, so nice sari it is. And see the work. Here is the entire view of the sari, premium quality Bangalore silk, along with the silk mark certification. I will show you the sari draping view. This is also Bangalore silk, and here is the blouse piece, black with red and orange combination. See the view. See the view. Price is 7650. Price is 7650. Here is the view. Sari number 3. This is also Bangalore silk. Sari number 4. Another Bangalore silk. The red color. This is red color with white and black thread. Also Kantha stitch, hand Kantha stitch. These all are hand work. Palla portion. See. This is the work. This is the work. Work will go like this way. There is a panel work. Here is the panel work. Now I will show you the draping view. See. Material is Bangalore silk. This material is also Bangalore silk. Premium quality Bangalore silk with silk mark certification. Color is red. with white and black thread. The entire sari with the work, with the same volume of work, and here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 4. Here is the draping view of the sari. Here is the draping view of the sari. Sari number 4. And the price of this sari is also 7650. Sorry, it is 7500. This one is 7500 with silk mark certification. Next one, another Bangalore silk. Price varies due to the volume of work. This one is of 6600. See, this is Palla portion. This is also Bangalore silk. Material is Bangalore silk. Palla portion. Price is 6600. The price, the color is purple or brinjal color. You can say brinjal color. This sari is of 6600. The price varies due to the material, due to the work, volume of work of the sari. Material are all same, all are Bangalore silk, same quality Bangalore silk, just due to the volume of work the price differs. Here is the blouse piece. This is the draping view of the sari. 6600. The color is purple. 6600. All the silks are silk mark certified. Now, another Bangalore silk. Sari number 6. Sari number 6, and the price is 6850. This is also Bangalore silk, black color Bangalore silk. See, Palla portion. Here is the Palla portion with pink and white thread. The work has been done with the pink and white thread, and this is the back portion. These all are hand kantha stitch. See, this is the view of the sari. See the view. The color is black. There is a border on the upper side, different border, and on the lower side there is a different border. See, and from the middle this work will go. The color is black, and the price of this sari is 7650. 7650. Material is Bangalore silk. Material is Bangalore silk, and the price is 7650. All the silks are with the blouse piece and silk mark certification. The color of this sari is also black. See, it will be like this. Black with pink and white. Now, this is Tasar. Sari number 7. Sari number 7. Base material is Gachi by Gachi Tasar. These all are Raghunathpur Gachi by Gachi Tasar. See the work. Palla portion. How nice it is with black combination. Tasar color, virgin color with black combination, and see there is a work also. I want to show you a close view. See the work. This is Palla portion. Material is Tasar, pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Very sober one. See, very sober one. The entire sari with the similar volume of work. See the work. With the black thread, entire sari with the same volume of work, and here is the blouse piece. Price is 8650. Price is 8650. All the saris are of silk mark certified. This is Gachi Tasar, Gachi by Gachi Tasar, and here is the Palla portion. Next one, another Gachi by Gachi Tasar, sari number 8. Sari number 8. This is also 8650. 8650 is the price. Here is the Palla. See the Palla. So nice. And the base material is Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Base material is Gachi by Gachi Tasar. See the work. This is a diagonal design. See the work. Another sober sari. Here is the border. Price is 8650. 8650. The color is rust and blue. Rust blue and a little bit black. Black is also there. This is a diagonal design. Material Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Here is the palla portion. And I will show you the blouse piece also. The price is 8650. All the tassels and silks are silk mark certified. Here is the blouse piece with the border. If you want to book, please take a screenshot or send it back to my number. Now, sari number 9. Another Gachi Tasar. Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Palla portion. Palla portion. And here is the body. Half body is like this. Half body with this volume of work, with this jal work rather, and the rest half with the buta. With the buta. I will show you the buta. See, this is the rest half. And the price of this sari is 8,000. The price varies due to the volume of work. Material are all same. These all are Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Price is 8,000 and all the silks and tassels are silk mark certified. We deliver Pan India through courier. We don't have any shipping charges, extra shipping charges. For booking you have to call or WhatsApp, and you have to drop the money on through internet banking or through Google Pay, and I will send you the sari through courier. Next one, sari number 10. See the palla portion. Sari number 10, another Gachi Tasar. Another Gachi Tasar. See the work. See the design. Just have a close look of this sari. See the design. All the kolkas are there. Entire sari with this buta and kantha stitch. See. With this view you can understand. And the price of this sari is also 8650. 8650. Here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. The work will come in the blouse piece. And the entire sari, it is like this. Price is 8650. Material is Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Please take a screenshot for booking. Viewers, if you like the program, share with your friends and relatives and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. This is another Gachi Tasar, but it is not on virgin color. It is, I will show you the sari. See, from the beginning. This is palla portion. This portion has been dyed and this is the work. See the work. These all are kantha work. See, these all are kantha work and this is grey color. This is grey color with black border, and the rest half of the sari is yellow. This is tasar, so I made it yellow. Yellow dye has been made, and here is the border. Lower border is like this, and the blouse piece of this sari is red. The blouse piece of this sari is of red color. See, this is the draping view of the sari. This is a half and half sari on tasar. Price is 8,500. I won't make a mistake. The price is 8,500. Check. Yes, it is 8,500. Sari number 11. Now I will show you some Gujarati stitch. These all are on silk and tasar. See, again Bangalore silk, palla portion, green color, green color. This is Mehendi green. See, green color with white thread all over body, same work, same volume of work, and the price is 7,200. Price is 7,200. See, with silk mark certification. The material is Bangalore silk. Bangalore silk. This sari is with mirror. Gujarati stitch, hand Gujarati stitch, 7,200. Next one, sari number 13, another color. This is royal blue, very bright one. See, here is the view. Price is 7,200. Here is the view of the sari. Price is 7,000. For booking, please take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. This is of Rani color. This sari is without mirror and the price is 6,800. Here is the palla portion, and see the body. See, this is the lower border and the upper border is very sleek with the buta, and there is no mirror. 6,800. Here is the entire sari. The color is Rani color, Bangalore silk, and with silk mark certification. And here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Color is Rani color. Next one, black and red. This is sari number 14. 6,800. 6,800. Palla portion, black with red. This sari is also without mirror. This sari is also without mirror. These all are handwork. These all are handwork. Black with red combination. Price is 6,800, and the material is Bangalore silk with silk mark certification. All the Bangalore silks are very premium quality. Price is 6,800. Now, this is sari number 15. Price is 7,950. 7,950. I will show you. This is also Rani color, Bangalore silk. See the work. Parshi work. Parshi work. Hand parshi. Palla portion. Then it will come like this way. Here is the view. See this portion. See this portion. How this work has been done, and the price is 7,950. Color is Rani color with there is a cord piping also with blouse piece with silk mark certification. For booking, please call or WhatsApp 9330866384. We will send you the sari through courier. There will be no courier charges. Shipping charges is absolutely free. Here is the blouse piece. See, here is the dripping view of the sari. Rani color, hand parshi. Price is 7,950. Palla portion. For booking, please take a screenshot. Next one, same sari, same design with different color combination. The base material is Bangalore silk and the work is on black. The color of the sari is black Bangalore silk. Very attractive, very bright, very nice one. The price is 7,950 with silk mark certification. See the work. Material is Bangalore silk with silk mark. Price 7,950. Just have a wrapping view of the sari. I will show you. And here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. This is the draping view of the sari. Price is 7950. Black color, Bangalore silk, hand parshi. See the work. See the work. Last sari of today's episode. Sari number 17, 7950. Another sari, 7950. This is of yellow color. Here is the palla portion. Palla portion, hand parshi. Material is Bangalore silk and the price is 7950. Price is 7950. Material Bangalore silk. The silk and tassels all are silk mark certified. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Wrapping view of the sari. Sari number 17 and the price is 7950. Price is 7950. Viewers, I have shown you 17 saris. All are on silk and tussar. If you like, please share with your friends and relatives and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode and subscribe. For booking, you can call me or WhatsApp me on 9330866384.